got in the front tire.
I would leave the other 3, but I don't want to leave Mike behind.
Probably feels good out here, though.
Yeah, it's not too
Okay. It always happens.
Well, they could meet us at the top of the hill.
Yeah.
I ride every 3 or 4
You know they're coming that way.
Yep, all right. We're going to meet them at the top of the hill. He was out here today already. We're going. Well, and I will check to see if I'll check to see if the path is kind of clear. I don't know how clear it'll be. We'll find out. Oh, Mick! Whew. That's where we need to get over. It's different now, isn't it? Looks a little different now. Oh, that's my tree there. You guys coming this way? Come on! Woohoo, it's a little soft right there. It's a bit soft. Are they back there? All right, it's humid back here. I don't get stuck back there in all that humidity. Did you not want to do the hard line?
No, heck no.
Really?
Look at Mike.
Nobody? Hey, y'all missed the hard line, dude. All right, well, I know Mike will want to do it.
Yeah, he definitely will.
You definitely want to do this.
I might try it later, but not right now.
Later?
Not yet.
Yeah. If I had a halfway decent chance, I'd do it.
20 hours on the
Oh, yeah, this is not a beginner line. It's not a medium line either.
Hey, I feel like I'm doing a pretty good day. Yeah.
Who's that on the green pump?
That's Eric Staub. Hey, Mike! Mike!